small kitten named Luna sat by the street, trembling as she meowed for help. Her ears flicked nervously, eyes wide. People walked past, ignoring her tiny cries. Just as she lost hope, a tall man stopped, glanced at her, then walked away, leaving her alone once more. Suddenly, the ground trembled under the heavy footsteps of a group of thugs. They circled around her, laughing cruelly. Luna's body stiffened, her eyes darting back and forth. One reached for her, but she leaped back, ready to flee. Before she could escape, a thug grabbed her tail, yanking her into the air. Her mouth opened wide in shock. The air was thick with danger, but Luna's instincts kicked in. Twisting midair, she scratched at the thug's hand with all her strength. He yelped, releasing her. She landed gracefully on the pavement and bolted down the alley, her tiny body darting between the thug's legs. Her heart raced, eyes wide, mouth open in determination. They cursed and chased after her, but Luna was faster, slipping into a dark alleyway. Just as she thought she was safe, one of them lunged. A shadow appeared from the darkness, followed by a fierce growl. A massive dog sprang forward. Luna's eyes widened in surprise. The thugs hesitated, but the dog lunged, knocking one of them into a pile of crates. The fight erupted, but the dog was relentless. Luna seized the opportunity. With a swift leap, she pounced onto a thug's back, sinking her claws into his jacket. Her teeth gritted, paws digging into the fabric. The thug shrieked and ran off. After the fight, the dog turned to Luna, panting heavily. He led her to a hidden rooftop. Where a group of fierce street cats had gathered. Luna's mouth opened in wonder. The leader, a large tabby named Shadow, eyed her curiously. She had proven herself. But safety was short-lived. The thugs regrouped, returning with weapons and an army of rats. The street cats fought valiantly, claws clashing against sharp teeth and swinging weapons. Luna leaped into action, using her small size to slip past enemies and strike from the shadows. The battle raged on when Luna spotted a familiar face, the tall man from earlier. He held a knife, moving toward Shadow. Luna's heart clenched, her eyes narrowing in focus. With a burst of speed, she launched herself at him, claws outstretched. She swiped at his legs, making him stumble and drop the knife. Seeing their leader falter, the thugs fled. With the battle won, Shadow smiled at Luna. She had gone from a lonely kitten meowing for help to a hero of the streets. And this was just the beginning of her new, adventurous life. Luna's eyes sparkled with excitement.